Easy English conversation practice. Colleagues chat. On the Monday morning, in a busy office, two colleagues have a little chat. Good morning, Lindsay. Are you all right? Morning, Anna. I am good, thank you. Are you good? I am good, thank you. How was your weekend? It was pretty good, thanks. How about yours? Not bad at all. Saturday was a bit windy and chilly, though. Did you notice that? Oh, absolutely. I felt like I needed a windbreaker just to step outside. Did you manage to brave the weather? Indeed. I bundled up and ventured out on Saturday. Met some friends for brunch at that new restaurant on High Street. Have you heard about it? Yes, I've heard the buzz. How was it? Anything on the menu that's a must-try? Oh, you have to try their signature dish, a fusion of flavors that's just mind-blowing. It's the kind of place you go to when you want to treat your taste buds. Sounds tempting. I'll have to make a reservation soon. So, brunch on Saturday, what about Sunday? Sunday was the complete opposite, a domestic day. I caught up on housework and did a bit of decluttering. You know, the usual Sunday routine. The joys of adulting. I did something similar. Deep cleaned the apartment and reorganized a bit. There's something oddly satisfying about an organized living space. Totally get that. It's like preparing your environment for the battles of the upcoming week. Did you manage to squeeze in any relaxation time? Friday night was my chill night. Stayed in, had some friends over, and we just hung out. How about you? Friday was pretty much the same for me. Relaxed at home, caught up with friends. It's those low-key moments that recharge you, you know? Absolutely. Now, I'm curious, did the weather impact your plans at all? Were you able to enjoy the outdoors? Unfortunately, not much outdoor time this weekend. The wind was a bit of a deterrent. But, hey, there's always next weekend, right? Fingers crossed for better weather then. Speaking of which, got any exciting plans for the upcoming week? Not particularly. Workload, meetings, the usual drill. But who knows, maybe I'll discover a new coffee spot to inject some excitement into the mornings. That sounds like a solid plan. Well, here's to conquering another week. Anything specific you're looking forward to? Honestly, just navigating the challenges and finding those small victories. What about you? I'm hoping for a bit of inspiration and maybe a breakthrough on a project. Let's make it a week of achievements. Agreed. Let's tackle it head on. Anything you need support or help with? Appreciate it. Likewise, if you need a sounding board or assistance, I'm here. Teamwork makes the dream work, right? Absolutely. We got this. The end. Enjoyed it? Show your love by giving the video a thumbs up. Interested in mastering more English conversation? Subscribe to Teddy Bear's Storytime for further learning. Activate the notifications to receive the latest updates, news.